Meet ATTEN ST-1203D, a 120-watt high-frequency soldering station engineered for speed and precision. Its instant response technology delivers rapid heat recovery, while the bright LCD display shows real-time temperature control. Perfect for delicate SMDs or heavy-duty joints. Experience the game-changing T120 handle. Equipped with a plug-and-play heating element, replacements take seconds, no tools needed. Adjust effortlessly from 80 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. The high-frequency system heats up to 350 degrees Celsius in just 10 seconds. Save 3 presets for your most used temperatures. Efficiency at your fingertips. Precision meets durability with its ergonomic grip and fatigue-resistant design. Unlock professional calibration. ST-1203D supports IR temperature calibration, plus or minus 50 degrees Celsius / 90 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring tip accuracy matches your display. Its built-in RS-485 port unlocks IoT connectivity, monitor, log, or control soldering remotely. Need cleaner air? Pair it seamlessly with the ST-1203D fume extractor as a master unit, creating a healthier workspace, built for intelligent operation. ST-1203D, where speed, intelligence, and precision fuse for the modern workshop.